this fucking crank pulley no more.
Yeah, fuck.
We got the big guns out right now.
I just hope I don't burn nothing.
Careful, Dennis.
Mother.
Just push none of my go.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna be working on my car today, and today we got a crank pulley, a lightweight crank pulley we're gonna install. Let's see if we can get that crank pulley off, because I hear a lot of things about that crank pulley being stuck. You can't get that bolt off, so we're gonna try our best. So that's where the bolt is. It's a 19. So now we're gonna start taking this out.
Yeah. Before this, like as you guys saw, you gotta loosen the belt. Just pull the automatic tensioner and put like an Allen head in it. It's a 3/8 socket wrench to pull the tensioner.
Alright, let's try this. In the hole. You got it? Oh shit.
That was good, guys. Good reflex.
Got it?
Yeah, let's try. Wait. No.
You alright?
Yeah.
You good?
Oh yeah, no, that hurt. Ooh.
Hold on. Let me try to put this somewhere else. It got squeezed up here?
Yeah, that's that shit. It's like underneath the skin, you know? So it's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah, I think I got it right here.
yeah. It's nice under here, Suren.
Huh?
It's nice under here.
Yeah.
Got your oil drain lines. Oh, look at that powder coated brace. Damn.
This?
Yeah, look at that.
I don't know, bro. It came like that.
Came like that, right? This is the new stock.
I don't know. It's weird. Put some WD-40 on it. We'll give it a second and try again.
Yeah, hopefully this one works.
But it's not supposed to spin, right? When it's in... Oh, let me set this up first and then we'll put...
Yeah.
I thought it's not supposed to spin when it's in gear.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Alright. Is there anything else we can put it on? Oh, what about from here?
Here,
Wait, one sec.
you need more leverage.
Nah, too long. You want to take it out?
Is it warm?
Let me heat it up. It's warm, but it's not hot.
It's not hot.
Let me try a little bit more.
Should have left.
Huh?
Maybe we shouldn't have like. Maybe we should have left the belt like as tension.
You want to try that? Are you crying?
No.
You have a tear, that's why.
I mean, it is sad. Be careful. Don't get the seal.
Sure. What are you looking for?
Yeah.
Let me put this in first.
Yeah.
Be careful, it's hot.
Alright, so the magic moment, the beautiful moment has finally arrived. We have gotten the crank pulley out after much fighting with it. Oh, the sweet,
Yo,
heavy
honestly,
ass shit.
bro, the weight,
It's crazy difference,
the
right?
weight is crazy.
Like, how much different you think?
More than half.
More than half?
More than half, yeah.
How much you think the stock one weighs?
No clue, bro.
Just take a guess.
8 pounds.
8 pounds? And that one's 4 pounds?
Maybe 4.
Maybe 4?
Maybe
That's
3.
half. Yo, we're gonna weigh it right now so you guys can
this
see.
is less than 3, bro. I'm
Less than
telling
3,
you.
yo, that's bro.
This is maybe 6.
This is no joke. I'm telling you, bro. You're gonna feel like a crazy difference. You're gonna be like, what the fuck?
I gotta go. I gotta try this shit out.
Yeah. So basically, the installation should hopefully be easier than the uninstalling it. But crank goes on, then the bolt, then you gotta release the tensioner, which is right here, which we got with the Allen. Like an Allen key in it. That should
Who's
hold
Allen?
the belt. Huh?
Who's Alan?
There's just a key.
Oh.
Yeah, the Allen key. Yeah. It's our new friend.
Let me see that. Alright, so this one's up. Ooh, shiny.
So theoretically, this should work. Because it's really hard to get it on because it's like tight. It's toyed like a toy gun. So we got it in the keyway. We're gonna use the crank bolt to tighten it back. Stay tuned for the good content and see what happens. Alright, so we got the pulley on, and now basically the procedure of tightening it is the same way as untightening it. You gotta stick something through the pulley itself so it doesn't spin. Before that, don't forget to align the belt on the ribs of the pulley.
Yeah, we're gonna tighten this up and then we're gonna put the belt on.
Yeah.
So we're gonna weight this out.
See how much that weighs
We
instead of
can't
the
just
STILLEN.
use the pulley because
The scale won't register.
Yeah, it won't register it. So I'm gonna use my weight and then we're gonna add. I'm a little insecure about my weight.
Yeah, don't judge Suren.
So
He has
alright.
been in the gym. Let's see how much we got.
168,
That's with the pulley.
and then
We get
without
the pulley?
Oh no, everybody's gonna know my weight.
No, 164. So like five pounds.
Yeah, about 5.
Honestly, I would think it was more.
Yeah, I would think it was more.
Like at least 7, but I guess that's what it is.
But the lightweight, I
Yeah.
would say like what is it?
It says it's like 2.5. STILLEN says it's like 2.5.
We'll double check on that.
Yeah,
We'll put it
double-
on the screen.
Yeah, exactly. We'll leave it down there for you guys. Definitely a great mod for any 370Z, G35, G37, whatever car. There's a bunch of like, I don't know, people saying that it's bad for you, but if you're not staying at 7,000 RPM all day, then you shouldn't have an issue with it. I've been running it in all my cars and have not had an issue yet. So
I can't wait to. I'm gonna clean this up and then
I'm gonna
let's
take it
try
for a
out.
drive,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, hell yeah.
Of course.
So next scene should be us driving this bad boy around. Stay tuned, guys.